Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset DStv remote. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, if your DStv remote isn't working properly, maybe it's unresponsive or not connecting to your decoder here, a reset can actually fix this issue. So this one is pretty quick and quite simple. So what do we need to do? So first thing you want to do is you want to check the battery. Sometimes weak or dead batteries here are the reasons why your remote isn't actually working. So maybe swap them out for a fresh one, or in this case you may need to check if your battery still has some charge on it. But it's best to replace them just in case. Now, what you need to do next is you want to turn off your decoder and basically unplug it from the power source. Now, wait for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Now, from then on, you want to go and grab your remote here and you want to press and hold the standby button on your remote. Now, depending on your remote, the position for the standby button may be different. But usually when we say standby, this is going to be the power button that you see at the very top here. Now, from then on, you just need to, again, press and hold this button. And while keeping it pressed, plug the decoder back in. Now, keep holding the button until you see DL appear on the decoder's display panel. Now, once that happens, release the standby button. The decoder will now go through the reset process, which should only take a few minutes here. Now, when it's done, test the remote by pressing a few buttons here and to see if it's working again. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.